Oats vanilla mush with almonds and walnuts. Oats milk, vanilla almond flavor. Very healthy recipe for zero cholesterol diet routine. You need soaked almonds, soaked walnuts, raisins. Soak old-fashioned oats for 3 to 4 hours. Vanilla essence, zero sugar sweetener, cocoa powder. Roughly chopped nuts and raisins. Chop soaked oats, mix them well. Add cocoa powder, vanilla essence and zero sugar. Again mix and chop. I prefer manual chopper. For perfect mush consistency, strain the excess liquid. Use the strained excess milk and enjoy the flavor. Almond, oat milk drink. Now add the strained material in a container. Add unsweetened chocolate chips. Garnish with almonds, raisins. Place it in a freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy oats mush and oat almond flavored milk. Subscribe for more zero cholesterol recipes.